Shut up, dogs. Shut up. You guys have gone outside. The reason why you guys can't come out of the cage is because y'all just are bad. This is not the song I was thinking of, but this is a really good song, so... And I love this song, so... Loving the high parts. My voice, ever since I started this medication, like, it's been getting better, but I can't wait for them to figure out what's actually wrong with my voice. Like, will I ever have my full singing voice back? I don't know, but who knows? Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be abused by you. Thank you everybody for following. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Sorry I'm not responding as much today. I'm trying to get shit done. Make sure you guys check out my pin videos. I think this is it.
Today's priority? Finding a field engineer.
Nope.
The job post isn't getting enough responses, so I upgrade to premium sponsored jobs on Indeed. Upgrading the post increased visibility. And we've got a few applications already. And now, back to my real job.
Deal? Watch this episode. Then you won't get it at all. I tried to negotiate. You push me round, now I'm drawing the line. Oh man, it's been so long I have to look at the lyrics. I haven't sang it in a while. You push me round, now I'm drawing the line. He lived his life, now I'm gonna go live mine. I'm sick of wasting my time. You know why? Well, I've been good for way too long. Found my red dress, so I'm gonna throw it all. It's about to get a little too Now you're gonna get in trouble because you're not listening. Needing more help in what I've been having. Taking my turn on the sandwagon. On a mission to make something happen. Feel like a Delilah looking for Samson. Doing a little mattress dancing. That's right, I said mattress dancing. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. Need a little more of what I've been missing. I don't know where I'll be crashing, but I'm arriving on a sandwagon. Starting to hurt again. Fucking sucks. I hate having autoimmune conditions, guys. This should be sucking, bro. I be feeling fine one second, and the next second I'm like ready to die. When it's my turn to march up to glory, I'm gonna have one hell of a story. That's if he forgives me. That's right, please forgive me. Praise the Lord, pass the ammunition. Need a little more of that sweet salvation. They may take me with my feet are dragging, but I'll fly away on a sandwagon. Yeah, so there you guys go. Hold on, I'm gonna check on my son now that I can. He's still up, but he's falling asleep. Okay, let's find another song to sing. Old Evie has all the good stuff saved or liked. See? This is what I mean. Evie.
With Walmart summer style.
Old Evie knows what's up.
Treat yourself.
No, we're supposed to say. Who knew? Anyone else? We're on vacation. And we totally need the fancy moisturizer after today.
It's not as.
Okay, guys. This is like really young Evie right here. Like 6-year-old, maybe even younger. Oh yeah, I gotta turn that up. You wanna know more about me. I'm the girl who's kicking the Coke machine. I'm the one that's honking at you, 'cause I left late again. Hey, hey. I messed up. Okay, guys. Hey, hey, hey. Can't you see I want you by the way I push you away? Yeah, don't judge me tomorrow by the way I'm acting. Hold on a second. This karaoke is like off, actually. I'm pretty positive. If you listen to the real one, I think this is somebody just made up stuff, or like they did it themselves. Hey, can't you see I want you by the way I push you away? Yeah. See, this is totally wrong. Hold on. Here, hold on. Oh wait, this one's probably.
It's uncomplicated.
So a little something about me, I actually do better the more powerful that a song is. So if it's a more quiet song, it's 50-50. But like powerful songs, yeah, it's my jam.